what if we do the rm minus rf on the Linux box? What will happen? Will this explode? Let's find out together. I will show you in a Red Hat system and in an Ubuntu system. Let's go. So this is a Red Hat system or Rocky Linux, and I am the root user, obviously. Okay, this is my root. This is the root user on this Red Hat box, and let's just get right to it. So rm minus rf / the root file system. So in the rel box, you will have kind of an intermediary pause asking you, are you sure that you want to do this? I know you are root, but are you sure? And we go, yep, I'm sure. And there, let it rip. So we'll get some access denied, to get some errors, because not everything is a file on a hard drive. Some files are on memory or in memory. So we get some kind of denied. It's the case of the proc, the sys, and others. So while this goes and while we'll wait for the results, let's get an Ubuntu box and see what happens. If you're watching this on a short form, come and join me on the long form for all the details and the Ubuntu box. So let me get my Ubuntu box going. So let's get it up and running here. There we go. So this is an Ubuntu box, and let's try the exact same thing. So let's try rm minus rf / Again, you'll see basically the same thing, and we just let it rip. Okay. Oh, not this. I'm sorry. This. And there we go. So again, we'll get some sort of access denied. We get some sort of not successful, because again, proxies and all up and dev and other file systems. So let's see how is our Rocky RL system going. Our Rocky system is still going strong, trying to remove everything he can. Let's go back to our Ubuntu system, and our Ubuntu system actually ended. So most likely this Ubuntu system has a smaller file system size, so it took less time. So let's reboot this guy. Actually, you cannot even interact with this guy here. It's completely borked, as we say. Let's go back to our RHEL system. Our RHEL system, it's kind of kind of getting not having the best time. Let's wait a few seconds more to see if something reoccurs. Let's check our Ubuntu system. So let's check our Ubuntu system. Our Ubuntu system looks really sad. So I will force reboot both systems. So let's go here. I will just force reboot our both. I will start with our Ubuntu. 1 second. Let me get this going. So I'll just shut down the Ubuntu system. I will just shut down my RHEL system. I cannot show these parts because it's kind of a privacy thing here in my lab. So let's just force shut down this guy. I'm just trying to force shut down this the system here. So Ubuntu is powered off. And let's see what happens when you try to power on our Ubuntu system. And this is what you get. So the Ubuntu is completely dead. Our Ubuntu system is completely dead. So it's unable to boot and it's just destroyed. Okay, there is no way to recover from this easily. You need to get yourself a backup, some way to restore this. Our file system is completely borked and destroyed. It's just dead. Okay, it's dead, Jim. Okay. And without surprise, our RHEL box, it's as well also completely destroyed, unable to boot, and recover from this is going to be a very, very tough time. And I hope you have backups at this point. So do I recommend you guys to do this? Of course not. And also this can get even worse. Why? Because oftentimes file systems connect the other file systems. So if you start this procedure there, if there are no protection barriers in between, you can delete your system, and the system will dive deep to another system that will dive to another system. So often at times, file systems are interconnected, and if you start deleting this disk, it will delete that one, that one, that one, and one, and can even be in different servers. So avoid this at all costs. Keep your backups up and your attention span right there. Keep your coffee mugs filled with coffee. Keep your monsters drink coming. Think twice before you do this. But guys, you need to be root. The systems even warn you that you're about to do some serious bad things. So I think that there are enough barriers that will prevent you from doing this by accident. But don't do this. And if you see this, this could be a possible cause that could be caused by the RM-RF doing in a badly timely manner. Like, subscribe, hype, and comment. It really helps. And I'll see you in the next one. Ask any questions down below. I am more than happy to answer you guys. See you next one.